All right, in this tutorial, we're going to talk about using a scatter plot to organize data. So what's a scatter plot? A scatter plot is what happens when you plot real-life data like this, time and wind speed, on a coordinate plane with an x and y value that mean different things. So for in this instance, we have time along the x-axis and wind speed along the y-axis, and we're going to graph those values on that coordinate plane. Scatter plots are a really important part of statistical data and analysis, and they're pretty common. So let's get started. The Weather Bureau measured wind speed every 5 minutes during a storm. The measurements are shown below, and here we're given our different values of our data. Which scatter plot represents the data? So all we have to do is plot these points on our coordinate plane. So 551 should be one of our points. 551 looks like there's one here, and one here, and there's no 51 here, so we know that one can't be right. And there's no 551 here, so that one can't be right either. So we're looking at one of these. Then we should look at a time value of 10. So again, we're traveling along the time axis to 10 and going up to 58 on the wind speed. So here's our time of 10 and our wind speed of about 58. Well, it looks like that one has one. 10, this one only has 50, so that one can't be it either. We are left with our answer of A. And the really nice thing about scatter plots is that once you see that data, you can see that it's much easier to determine what's going on with it. So in this case, we can see that as time goes on, our wind speed is decreasing. That's important information to be able to see visually that you wouldn't be able to see as well from the table. And I think that's it.